So I'm testing out some stuff on the 1350 Refit commission. This is the factory deflector dish. I painted the black, kind of bluish gray. Plus sanded to kind of diffuse things a bit. This is the two-piece 3D printed one. And everything is great, but it doesn't fit very well. We got a big old gap. And I was going to scale it up in the slicing program, but I decided to go into Tinkercad and modify it myself. So I've added, and actually we'll do a step back. This was before I added this extra editor ring. It's not perfectly round. Basically gives me some room to sand. So I'm going to try this, and that way the deflector clear part can stay the same.